strapped on for safety. Down the road that way a little further before we cut in. I did end up buying one of those windsock things for it too.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, those things are awesome.
Are they?
Yeah.
I haven't used it at all.
It's awesome.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well,
it kills that.
I'll have to put it on here.
Yeah.
Say, can you hook that at your light bar on the rope?
I don't have the right clamp for that.
That's
been out so many times and got stopped. We had to turn around.
wish you had one, right?
Yeah.
Not bad.
I turned my lights on so you could see me behind you.
Oh, we couldn't see nothing.
Huh?
Yeah, it's dusty.
I don't know if you can see the dust on my glasses.
Yeah, with the AC, you can roll the windows up and be quiet and comfy if you want.
That kind of killed the whole effect, wouldn't it?
You'll see some.
Greg and Kathy Edmonds had a place on the Manistee, right? Right next to 66.
Yeah.
Maybe a half a mile on 66.
Straight cow shit, I'm pretty sure.
That's so gross.
Any picture on there?
Oh, yeah, it doesn't. It blacks out after a minute.
Oh, okay.
I hate people, man. Always picking up after pigs out here in the woods. Fucking trash everywhere. Like every time you're out.
You always take a trash bag back.
Always.
Seems like.
Always. Look at that. Just out having a good time. You can bonsai the hill that way, but it's steep as heck. So this way's a lot longer, but it's really as steep. Yeah, you got like this cool little like waterfall or water. This one's stream. It looks like it's just barely moving. All the pollen sitting on top of the water. Crazy. Found a flip-flop halfway up the hill, he says.
Found a flip-flop.
Oh, hey.
Hmm.
Let's try this. It's like the ultimate Stairmaster challenge right here. Give me buns of
I should have brought another pair of shoes.
easier, but it's different.
Mmm.
What time?
At 10:30.
10:30 in the morning?
Yeah. Then we'll go get some cheeseburgers.
86 around Dead Man's
Yeah,
Curve and back up to
2:30, but I mean, we're just, by the time we get back to my house, Dad's gonna have to go probably.
Oh, right on.
So we'll make some food, or there's leftover shrimp cocktail.
Delicious.
Have shrimp cocktail, buddy. I'm getting your truck a little dirty.
I forgot that truck's wider. Trying to give you Mission Impossible here.
Why didn't you put it in 4 low?
I am.
Yeah, you got to be at a dead stop. I should have told you. You got to be at a dead stop when you put it in 4 low, and it shouldn't be beeping. If it's beeping, it's not locked in. It'll
Okay.
quit beeping when it's in 4 low.
Yeah, it was beeping the whole time.
We shouldn't need that anymore. I hope.
I hope.
See if your clutch still works, or if I got another project.
It works.
So we're a little frustrated with ourselves, to be dead honest with you, because we left the GoPro strapped to the headlight of Spike and took off hauling.
Did you find it?
And made it a long, long ways. And now We had to backtrack a long ways, but look what I see.
No way you found
Hallelujah.
it. I don't know how you found it.
Woo!
That shit.
What do you think?
That's pretty. That's a miracle. I don't know how you found it.
Yeah.
Batteries, dude.
That's insane.
Nice one.
I can't even believe that we found this thing.
can't believe we found it.
It sucks because he literally got it like just before this trip to come see us. And we strapped it to the headlight.
I believe you found this fucking thing.
Learn from our dumbness. Do not stick your GoPro somewhere where you can't see it and then just drive for a half hour.
Now we gotta watch the footage, man.